can't really talk too loud yet, but we'll get ready to get to our day spot. This is a surfer's beach parking lot, and there's a lot of vans. It's pretty early in the morning. They do open at 5. The beach is down there, and we're gonna check it out later. This parking lot gets super full super quickly. Granted that now it's around 7:30 in the morning. Before our walk on the beach, coffee. On the beach, I figure I'd be multitasking. It's hard to do this one-handed. Oh, there we go. And that's why I love an Instant Pot. It's only gonna take 5 minutes to hard boil my eggs. It's gonna depressurize naturally by itself, turn off by itself, or at least not run anymore. Well, we take a walk on the beach. We're gonna pause this video right here and take a minute and talk about today's sponsor for this video, which is, well, me, Stefan Ghica.com. If many of you didn't know, I do have a storefront. We have a lot of merch, a lot of t-shirts, a lot of hats, coffee mugs, stickers, t-shirts, hoodies. We even have beach towels. So check that out. I really love the hoodies that we have right now. Also, there is an Amazon storefront. So if you guys are interested in any of the stuff that you see here on the channel that I use every day, including all of my electrical system, a lot of the things that I use, like coffee pots or just pots and pans, any of the gadgets that you see here on the van, even the boxes up on top of the rooftop, then you could find them on there. Even these window covers, they're all on there, so you can definitely get yourself some of that stuff. StefanGhica.com. Don't forget to go over and check it out. With that being said, let's head back to the video. Now let's check out this beach. Essentially, the water came all the way up here. It's still wet, guessing in the morning. And look how much it went down. A bunch of algae here, but there's a lot of algae over there. So yes, this is definitely a surfer's part of town. Feel free to pause if you want to read all of that. Hopefully those Sharpies don't end up in the ocean. That's my only concern with that. Never seen a shower on the beach before, like right on the beach. Well, the eggs are done. Just gonna turn off that inverter. Let's just see how my hard-boiled eggs turned out. The pressure knob is down. And there you have it. Hard-boiled eggs. A lot of people waiting to come and park and surf. Since I'm not a surfer, we're just gonna find another place because I want to be courteous of the surfers. Okay, let's find something else. On the better spot, less people, and we can still see the ocean. Check it out. So we still have plenty of good views. That's exactly where we were earlier. My Instant Pot took a tumble. How are my eggs doing? Yeah, they're cooled off. Alright. A little cloudy outside, so overcast I should say. Let's see how our battery's doing. Oh, excellent. Shallots are usually not as bad as onions, but this one got me a little bit. Okay, Instant Pot is hot. A lot of spices that I use for this. I think I said it before and I'll say it again. I am not sponsored by Instant Pot. I should. But if you're gonna get anything for your kitchen as a nomad or just van life and traveler and all of that good stuff, an Instant Pot is the perfect thing. This one is only 3 quarts, So it's the smallest one. It only takes 700 watts, which is a big reason why I got it. And it has all of these functions. You can saute stuff like you saw, just like in a pan or a pot. And what I like about it, you don't really have to watch it, you know. You can slow cook things, but I never use that function because I don't eat meat. But if you do, that's a good function to have. The one thing that's missing is the air fryer top. The smallest version like this doesn't come with it. I'm sure they have a reason, but maybe in future versions. But you can make soups, you can make rice, you can make chili, you can steam stuff. It's just really, really good to have. You can leave it, go somewhere else, let it cook by itself while I'm driving somewhere. So when I get there, food is ready. It's pretty big for 2 people to make dinner. Right now I'm just making extra so I can have a few days worth of food so I don't have to cook all day. We have 5 more minutes of pressure cooking, and normally I will let it naturally depressurize, but it's 10:20 right now, and at 12 I need to find the bar before that because France is playing Senegal. Really want to see that match. Look at that. This avocado's seen better days, but it's still good. I need to use it, so it's gonna have a few dark spots, but I'm not worried. All right, so normally this would be more of a wrap. That's how I would want it. I would want the quinoa and the lentil to be cold, but because I'm in a rush, it's a wrap with hot stuff in it. Most of it is cold. The eggs turned out pretty good. Easy to use, peel them off, ready to go in a pinch when I make a wrap tomorrow. Lots of layered flavors, from the quinoa and lentil to the mustard to the pickled onion to arugula, even the egg. It all tastes really good. During the summer I like to eat like this because it's simple. I could even pre-make these wraps and just have them in the fridge. I don't do that, but I could, and eat it later that day. I wouldn't leave it in the fridge for more than a day. Wrapped up like this, quick to go, cold, refreshing, and it has a lot of nutrition in there. So lunch is done, everything's washed and put away. Now it's time to go watch that game. Excited. Well, that went well. Today is actually a few weeks later, because after I saw that match, I realized that I wanted to take time and watch the World Cup, which is what I did. So I took a few weeks off. You're watching this after the World Cup. It was amazing. It was fantastic. Very exciting. I'm glad I took the time off to make time for it. I still had some projects going on as well, so I took care of those. And now we're back on YouTube. Hello, everyone. And that's where I'm gonna end this video because I am at a campground right now and I'm planning to film a camping video, a few other projects that I need to be doing, maybe 2 videos. I need to get back on track. I need to get back at doing this, hanging out with you, or you hanging out with me, both. All right. Ramble over. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all the fun things, share with your friends and family. And I will see you guys in the next video next week. I'm back on a weekly schedule.